These cream buns are a delicious dessert inspired in the Scottish cream cookies. They are made from a lightly sweet bun, glazed as soon as it comes out of the oven, filled with a delicious jam, freshly whipped cream, and dusted with powdered sugar. I know you will love them. To start this recipe, make a levain or a stiff sourdough starter. Place in a bowl 25 grams or 1 tablespoon of sourdough starter and 25 grams or 1 3/4 tablespoons of water. Mix with a silicone spatula to combine the water with the sourdough starter and add 50 grams or 1/3 of a cup of flour. Mix all the ingredients well. Mix the dough with your hands and knead the dough for about 1 minute on your working table until it comes together. Then, place it in a clean jar and cover it with a lid. Leave the levain to proof for at least 4 hours in a warm place or until it doubles in size. When your levain is ready, pour 200 grams or 3/4 cups plus 1 tablespoon of milk into the bowl of a stand mixer. Add 100 grams, which is about 2 large eggs, 65 grams or 1/3 of a cup of granulated sugar, and all of the levain that you previously prepared. Look at how this sourdough starter looks when it is ready and it has doubled in size. Feed the stand mixer with the hook attachment and start mixing all the ingredients. Add 450 grams or 3 cups of all-purpose flour in stages. First, add half of the flour and mix it with the rest of the ingredients. Add the rest of the flour and mix until the dough starts to pull off the walls of the bowl. Add 65 grams or 1/3 of a cup of butter at room temperature cut in pieces. Add 1 piece at a time as you keep mixing the dough. Then, finally, add 7 grams or 1 teaspoon of sea salt. Knead the dough in your stand mixer for about 20 minutes or until the dough starts to pull off the walls of the bowl and looks shiny and elastic. Take the dough out of the bowl and place it on your working table. Form a ball with your dough. As I fold and work this dough with my hands, I can feel that this dough is ready and it doesn't need to be kneaded anymore. If you're not sure if your dough is ready, you can cut one small piece and stretch it with your hands. If your dough is as stretchy as this one, and you can see light go through it, your dough is ready. So make a ball again with your dough and place it in a greased bowl. Cover with a plastic wrap or a lid and place your dough in a warm place to ferment. I am placing my dough in my dough proofer at a constant temperature of 86 degrees Fahrenheit or 30 degrees Celsius to speed up the process. After 4 hours, my dough has doubled in size and it looks ready to continue with the process. So, take the dough out of the bowl and place it on your working table. Stretch and fold the dough to take out all the gas in the dough and make a ball again. To portion your dough, use a kitchen scale and make 12 equal portions of dough. To form the buns, stretch the dough and pull the dough to the center of the dough. Then, flip the dough around and make circular motions with your hand until you have a well-rounded ball of dough. Place the balls of dough in a prepared baking sheet with parchment paper or silicone baking mats. Place the balls of dough at least 2 inches or 5 centimeters apart. Make sure to add enough tension to the dough as you are rolling the balls of dough. Cover the balls of dough with a plastic lid or plastic wrap and place them in a warm place to proof for about 4 hours or until they double in size. After 4 hours, brush the buns with egg wash, making sure to cover the whole area of the dough. Place the buns in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes or until they are golden brown. In the meantime, prepare the cream for your buns. Place in your stand mixer half a cup of heavy whipping cream and mix for about 3 to 5 minutes at high speed. Add 2 tablespoons of confectioner's sugar and keep mixing for about 30 seconds until you have a cream that has this texture. Place the cream in the fridge until you need it. Take the buns out of the oven and brush them with a simple syrup. To make this syrup, combine a 1/4 cup of water with a 1/4 cup of sugar on the stove at medium heat until the syrup boils. Brush well all the buns and let them cool for at least 30 minutes before preparing them, since the buns need to be cool before adding the cream. To prepare the buns, make a cut in the middle of your bun. Add your favorite jam. I am using my favorite, which is raspberry jam. Fill the buns with the cream you prepare and sprinkle some confectioner sugar on top. You can also make a delicious bun with some chocolate and hazelnut spread and that delicious cream. These cream buns are very soft and delicious. I am sure you will enjoy them. I really hope you enjoy these cream buns as much as we do. Please like and share this video, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I have a new video every week. Thank you for watching!